Step-by-step guide for AI-driven content generation for SEO. Hello and welcome to our interactive guide on utilizing AI for content generation for SEO. Our team has created an all-inclusive strategy to generate precisely tailored SEO content that will significantly boost your website's visibility on search engines. By attracting a larger number of organic visitors, we can greatly enhance your small business's digital presence. Step 1. Conduct thorough keyword research. Tools needed. 1. Google Keyword Planner. 2. RFs. 3. SEMrush. Steps. 1. Identify your main topics or themes related to your business. 2. Use Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords with high search volumes and low competition. 3. Utilize RFs or SEMrush for deeper insights into these keywords. 4. Compile a list of primary and secondary keywords for your content. Recommendation. 1. SEMrush is recommended for its user-friendly interface and extensive features covering all aspects of SEO. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Tools needed. 1. Grammarly. 2. Hemingway Editor. 3. Surfer SEO. Steps. 1. Write content that resonates with your target audience. 2. Integrate primary and secondary keywords naturally. 3. Ensure content is engaging, informative, and unique. 4. Use Grammarly for grammar checks and Hemingway Editor for readability. 5. Optimize content structure with Surfer SEO. Recommendation. 1. Surfer SEO offers precise content optimization based on real-time data. Step 3. Optimize on-page elements. Tools needed. 1. Yoast SEO, WordPress. 2. Moz on-page grader. Steps. 1. Optimize title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags with relevant keywords. 2. Maintain a clean URL structure with primary keywords. 3. Add alt text to images using relevant keywords. 4. Utilize Yoast SEO for real-time feedback and Moz on Page Grader for analysis. Recommendation. 1. Yoast SEO seamlessly integrates with WordPress for comprehensive on-page optimization. Step 4. Leverage multimedia elements. Tools needed. 1. Canva. 2. Vidyard. 3. Google Page Speed Insights. Steps. 1. Create engaging visuals with Canva. 2. Produce informative videos using Vidyard. 3. Embed multimedia elements optimized for quick loading. 4. Analyze page load speed with Google Page Speed Insights. Recommendation. 1. Canva offers an easy-to-use platform with a wide range of design templates. Step 5. Build quality backlinks. Tools needed. 1. RFs. 2. BuzzSumo. Steps. 1. Identify authoritative websites using RFs. 2. Reach out for guest blogging or link partnerships. 3. Use BuzzSumo to connect with influencers and create shareable content. 4. Create high-quality content for natural backlink acquisition. Recommendation. 1. RFs provides robust backlink analysis capabilities and a vast database of opportunities. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your strategy. Tools needed. 1. Google Analytics. 2. Google Search Console. Steps. 1. Monitor website traffic and user behavior with Google Analytics. 2. Track performance in search results using Google Search Console. 3. Analyze top-performing content and adapt your strategy accordingly. 4. Update content regularly with fresh information and trending keywords. Recommendation. 1. Both Google Analytics and Google Search Console offer comprehensive insights into website performance. Additional information on AI content generation. 1. AI benefits. AI tools like Surfer SEO utilize data from top ranking pages to optimize content effectively. 2. AI integration. Incorporate AI-powered tools like Grammarly for grammar checks and Hemingway Editor for readability enhancements. 3. AI evolution. AI continuously learns from data trends to enhance content strategies over time. Incorporating AI tools into your content strategy can significantly boost your small business's online visibility and SEO efforts. By leveraging AI for tasks such as keyword research, content optimization, and personalized recommendations, you can attract more organic traffic and improve your search engine rankings. Additionally, AI can help you analyze data and user behavior to fine-tune your content strategy for better results. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards mastering AI-driven content generation for SEO. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on enhancing your digital presence effectively.